I am here today with Clint Herndon, entrepreneur, owner of Next Peak CPA, and host of the Next Peak podcast. Clint, thank you for your time this morning.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So you have worked in construction accounting for a long time and have done a range of forensic and standard accounting services. And today, as we're talking about this video, you said you want to share some practical tips that construction accounting firms can use.
Yeah, absolutely. So the biggest thing is you want to make sure that you use an automated software and update it regularly. So there's a lot of moving parts in construction, as we all know, right? There's a lot of purchases being made, a lot of money coming in and out, and you want to make sure you stay on top of that it's not a monthly or a quarterly thing, but that it's something that's done, almost daily or at least weekly. You're staying on top of it. Okay. And definitely don't go back to the old school ledger and handwriting stuff on a piece of paper.
No, you could get some outdated information that way, couldn't you?
For sure. It's very easy to erase that as well. So definitely use the automated software. The second one is to know your deductions and tax credits. Nowadays there can be a lot of benefits depending on the type of project the construction company is working on. And so you want to make sure that either you or your accountant, CPA that you work with knows the best benefits that you're eligible for.
Absolutely. We don't need to pay more taxes than we're supposed to, right?
No, we want to make sure we pay our fair share, but we don't need to pay extra.
There we go.
The third tip would be to make your estimates accurate. So this goes back to the first point, which is keep your accounting records accurate and timely. When you go to do your estimates, you want to make sure you understand the true profitability of each project. So you don't want to go out and bid on projects and underbid or overbid when you don't necessarily need to. So you want to make sure you truly understand your costs as they're coming in and the potential profit on each project.
That's super important, especially with all the moving pieces. It's been a very dynamic year from the costs of materials, costs of labor. You can't go by the old maybe seat of your pants kind of averages that you used to use. Exactly,
yeah. You've got to definitely be aware of supply costs, materials, make sure that your bids reflect that increase or decrease in prices, hopefully that's coming soon. And then the fourth part I have is the number one is you want to make sure you hire the right people. So none of this stuff works if you don't have the right team internally, if you don't have accountants that truly understand construction accounting. It is a unique type of accounting, and you want to make sure that you have people in there that understand it well, internally, but also externally. So if you're going to hire an accountant or an accounting team, you want to make sure that they have experience in the construction industry as well.
Absolutely. It's unique. Well, and if you would like to talk with Clint regarding what his firm can do for you, I will link him in this video, and he would welcome the outreach.
Yeah. Thanks, Lisa.
Thanks, Clint. This is Lisa Bracero, Construction Risk Advisor with Vendor Insurance Solutions. Thanks for watching this video, and keep building great projects.